what's up YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. Today's video is going to be a different one, like I say every single time, but we're going to do some truck work. I'm going to show you what we got done on the wiring, and I'm going to show you what's going on with the truck, and we're also going to get it washed today, so we're going to head out to the garage here. All right, so we had a couple hours of snow a couple nights ago, so it's all dirty, so we're going to get it washed for sure, because this is my daily driver and I have to drive it every day. So those tires throw up all the water on the window, and you know how it goes with big trucks. But one thing that needs to get fixed, which happened yesterday, really big rock flew up and took some of my paint off. So that's getting fixed next week. But we're gonna wash it today and we'll get it figured out. I know it's a minor imperfection, but with the truck this nice, we need to keep it nice. So it's gonna get the paint fixed, and then we're gonna get a clear bra wrap on it or something, a clear coat on it to get it nice and strong. I was gonna ask him about this too. We got a little paint coming off here, but we'll get that all sorted out. So let's get the truck warmed up and we're gonna run over and get it cleaned. Another thing that was a problem for a while with my truck was when I got it, the radio only worked in the back speakers. So I took it to In-Phase Car Audio in Omaha and got it back from them. They said it wasn't even plugged into the front speakers. The front speakers are brand new. And basically they said it wasn't plugged in. So they did that. And like 3 times I went out to my truck to leave and it just didn't turn on. And I finally left with it not working after paying them like $140 or whatever. And then we replaced all the wiring up front, did all the terminals and stuff, and now the radio works great. It turns on and plays in the front speakers very well. So I'll show you the wiring once we get the truck washed. I don't want to get in the engine bay right now. So yeah, we're gonna head on over and get it washed, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, so now we got the engine bay popped. You can see that we redid all this wiring here, anything with these plastic wraps on them. It used to be a jumble of mess all back here, but we got that all cleaned up. It looks a lot better than before. I got new batteries because it wasn't starting. Then their idea was to take the valve covers off and paint them, so those actually look way better in person than they do on camera. But I think those are sweet. We redid the wiring over here. I got new rock lights coming because the ones that are in there are kind of junk. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the wiring work we did. I will link Copperhead Cummins in the description because he did most of it. So big thanks to him. Made it look a lot nicer. But yeah, we're going to finish washing and then we'll get this video finished up. And since someone requested it, we're going to do a startup and rev because someone wants to hear it revving from the last video. So we'll do that really quick and then that'll be the end of the video. So thanks for watching.